Do you see these pearly whites, YouTube? If you can't see them, let me just bring myself a little bit closer. You see these pearly whites? You see them? I know you see them because I see them, okay? I see them, you see them, my friends see them, I'm getting compliments. My mom has been going on and on and on. She's like, Tia, you know, you have your father's people's teeth. Basically saying, you know, my teeth are a little bit more on the yellowy side of the color gradient. And I kind of started noticing it myself. I guess I just didn't want to admit it. But finally, I've managed to find a DIY at-home kind of teeth whitening kit. I've always been interested in getting my teeth whitened. However, I knew you can get it done at your dentist, but it will cost you a couple of pennies, couple of coins. And you know I'm bad and on a budget at the minute in life. So Smile Brilliant, I think they're an Australian company, and they sent me out this teeth whitening kit. I'd say I've been whitening my teeth for like 12 days. I felt like my teeth were quite stained. They had quite, you know, a bit of a yellowy stain. So, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist. So I did want them like sparkling white. I feel like I've not got them exactly where I want them as of yet, but I am happy with the result I have with Smile Brilliant. As you'll see in the video, in the rest of the video to come, it is a process and it is quite in depth, but it's definitely worth it. In the kit that I received, I had 3 desensitizer gels, 3 whitening gels, 3 white paste, 3 blue paste, and then 2 putties, which are for your teeth. So first thing I did was I mixed the blue paste and the white paste, and they're basically called impressions. I mixed them together so I can have a nice like bluey colour, but you have to do it quite quickly because it does set and you don't want that to happen. So I quickly, you know, mixed them as quick as I could, and I did everything. I followed the instructions, to be honest, and I used a timer and everything. I was quite thorough. I'm quite proud of myself. I placed them into my putties quite evenly, and then I basically picked up my putty, placed it onto my front set of teeth and bit down onto them. Like I said, timers are quite important, so I did set my timer, make sure that it was the right amount of time because I did not want to do any more or any less than what I was asked to do. So the instructions are very important. Once I did that, I followed the same procedure for the bottom set of teeth and sent it away back to Smile Brilliant. Again, that was quite easy because they had an envelope provided with the shipping address, everything all set, and it was, I think it came back to me in like the space of a week or less. It was pretty fast, like I didn't expect that. Once they receive your putties, they then send you impressions of your teeth through the impressions that you made, and they basically look like retainers. So with those retainers, I used my whitening gel first. Again, I followed the instructions down to a T, and I, you know, opened my gels, used my syringes, and I tried to spread out the gel as evenly as I could across the top set of my retainers, and then I placed them into my mouth. I then repeated the same thing for the bottom set. The recommendation as far as how long you should keep the gels and the retainer in your mouth is anything from a minimum of 1 hour to a maximum of 3 hours. Now, I would say, hand on heart, I did not do the whole 12 days consistently, like every single day. I think I went through about 5 days of consistently like whitening my teeth, but other than that I would have like maybe a day break in between, 2 days in between. But you know, your girl's lazy sometimes and she be getting home from work and I'm tired and I just want to go to sleep. Like I just don't want to start faffing around with my teeth. I was not very consistent, but I don't think that's a bad thing because I think it's also given me an opportunity to tell you guys what it's like to show you guys the results of what it's like if you're not consistent. Though I would say be consistent, okay? So I would end up doing like keeping it in for 3 hours if I missed a day or two out. If I missed a few days, the next time I put the gels in, I would keep it in for 3 hours to kind of like make up for lost time, I guess. I think the minimum time I ever kept it in for was like 1.5 hours. Because I'm so happy with like my result and I'm like such a believer of this product, Smile Brilliant have been generous enough to collaborate with myself and we're going to gift one of these to you. The kit's actually worth like $139, which is probably like £100 or a little bit less, I think. And you're gonna get it for free. Just for free. So this is literally going to be like the easiest giveaway you will ever enter. Do you want to know why? All you have to do is click the link in my description underneath, smile brilliant. That's it. I know. That's it. Oh. And be a subscriber of mine. You know, you can't just, you know, be getting free stuff and you ain't subscribing to me. No, honey. But that's literally all it is. So if you enjoyed this video and, you know, girl, if you enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying these teeth, okay, don't forget to check out that giveaway. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, as well as comment and just ask me any questions, any queries. And I wish you all good luck. Have a great week.